Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 9. In this video we'll be talking about the leopard style in Kung Fu. Then we'll look at its anatomy and different poses. Leopard style is said to be agile, strong, efficient, fast and very accurate when beaten. You'll realize that the leopard claw isn't the same that the tiger's. The leopard claw consists of a half-opened fist with the fingers folded. The hand palm must be outstretched and the wrist must form a straight line with the arm. This is why the leopard claw isn't the same that the tiger's. Actually, to do the leopard fist, you have to bend your four fingers at the first joint instead at your knuckles. In this case, the punch would be completely vertical. Have a look at the reference poses to see how martial artists do the leopard fist. Well, let's learn a little bit about the anatomy of the leopard. We'll start by drawing over each leopard so that you can distinguish the general blocks that make up the animal's anatomy. If you look closely, the leopard's body is very similar to the tiger's body. Actually, the basic composition is the same for all felines. Perhaps the only differences are the power or the size of the muscles in certain areas. For this reason, what interests me the most in this lesson is the head. The head does differ from the tiger's head. It's slightly narrower and has other features. So now, when drawing the sketches, only one of them will be of the body, and I'll use the rest for representing the head, so that you can see properly its features and different positions. Now have a look at the body. As we said, it has the same parts as the tiger's. We find the head, which are two circles, head and mouth. Then the neck, the back and the tail. The four legs, back and front, are similar to the tiger's legs. Let's pay attention now to the head. Perhaps it's more like a lion's head. And this is the structure. It has way less fur than the tiger. As always, when we are working with circles, so let's use one for the head and another for the mouth. One above and one below. Otherwise, you can use a single circle and divide it into two parts. If you want to draw the mouth open, you need to separate quite a lot these two circles and leave an empty space in between. That would be the mouth hole. Great, let's start drawing the poses. And this is the first one. We are going to make a quick sketch and include directly the clothing. This will be of great help when making the blocking of the characters. When it comes to leopard's pose, we are always going to find poses in which the practitioner seems like he's stalking and attacking from the distance. These features characterize the leopard, which is a quite astute animal with aggressive speed and is able to attack its prey quickly and abruptly. Have a look at the claws. The hands of this guy are completely in a horizontal position. So, when drawing the leopard claw, we must represent the same position. If the arm is bent, the claw must be perpendicular to the arm. In this other image, the monk is bent down and in a stalking position, with the leopard claws open. For all Kung Fu styles, there are some basic poses that can be used in any style, just changing the type of claw. However, you must be familiar with the poses to avoid mixing up the balance of the crane with the strength of the tiger. To avoid getting lost, instead of using images from internet about animal poses, it's better to look for these poses in videos, like in YouTube or on internet. This way, you'll be able to observe the real animal's positions. When I refer to positions, it's like, let's say, the katas in karate. These are a set of movements and poses which constitute a pattern of poses. In this case, of the leopard, it can be of any other animal. Okay, let's include now all the poses in a canvas to observe them better. Great, that's it. The only missing animal is the dragon. So, the next lesson will be about the dragon style. Hope that you liked the lesson and that you learned a lot. See you in the next video.